Look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Get a notebook, get a pen. Today we're talking about the credit builder card. Specifically, this is a way to boost your credit scores, not only quickly, guys, but to actually sustain it so you can transition into other types of credit. So in this video, I'm going to specifically outline what is a credit builder account, how a credit builder account helps you, how you can get a credit builder card, and how to use it properly. Because some of you guys have gotten credit builder accounts, and because you're not educated or unsure about how to use it the right way, you're not getting the results that you desire. Okay, guys, now do my success tip at the end. So first, look, number one, what is a credit builder card? What is a credit builder account? So if you are someone with damaged credit, with no credit, with a valid bankruptcy, valid late payments, valid foreclosure, valid charge-offs, valid repos, if you are somebody who has been in credit repair forever, which it shouldn't be, okay? If you've been in credit repair forever or working on your credit forever and you're not seeing a significant increase, a credit builder account is designed for you. They know that for a credit builder account, people are going to be applying that have bad credit, no credit, or high credit risk. So when everybody else says no, they will say yes. One of the number one questions I get from you all is, Terry, I understand how important credit is now. I'm trying to work on my credit, but every time I apply for something, I get denied. So this is a solution to that problem. The credit builder card will say yes when other people say no. And when the number one ways, guys, to increase your personal credit scores is to add positive payment history. So that's what the credit builder card does. And specifically, it is a revolving trade line. So it is a credit card, it is secured, and it's in your name, not an authorized account. So this is giving you the foundation to build credit the right way. Nugget right here. And for all my newbies, I drop nuggets to the entire videos. For all my vets, y'all already know, okay? So for the FICO scoring model, guys, write that down, FICO, F-I-C-O. That's what the big businesses use. That's what the business credit lenders use. That's what the real estate lenders use. When you're looking to really successfully build your credit, you wanna know where you are on the FICO scoring model. So the FICO scoring model has 5 buckets, okay? 5 buckets. And the 2 biggest buckets are 35%, which is payment history, which is this area where people have collections and charge-offs and late payments and repos and all of those things. That goes into payment history, anything negative. And then 30% is utilization or amounts owed, right? So the 5 buckets are payment history, amounts owed, new credit, credit length, and credit mix. There's 5 buckets, but the 2 biggest ones, 30% and 35%, are utilization, aka amounts owed, and payment history. The reason why credit builder card and a credit builder accounts helps you so much is it hits those 2 biggest buckets, 65%. So nugget right here, high level strategy when you're looking to get better results faster, which is what this wealth building ministry is about. You want to kind of tackle the areas of the FICO scoring model that matter the most. Got it, good guys. And nugget right here. Everyone should have a goal of a 700 and above personal credit score in all 3 credit bureaus. That is going to help you with personal credit, with business credit approvals, with real estate financing approvals, with everything. It is a foundation for everything else, okay? So I don't want you just working on your credit forever. Set a goal, 700 and above personal credit scores, and it should take you 3 to 6 months max if you're following me and you're actually executing. Most of you guys can get there sooner, but nobody should be working on their credit more than 12 months. It does not take that long when you use strategy and you know what you're doing and you're educated and you are not paying for credit repair. They drag it out. They scam you. They do things and don't tell you what they're doing. They put quick band-aids on things. So you are investing in education and training to do it on your own. That way you can have real results faster and you can also maintain it. Come on, somebody, and grow it. Okay. So the next thing, guys, is how it helps you. Now, I already told you, it adds positive payment history to your credit reports, guys. When you're working on your credit, when you're working working on personal credit repair, you may still need to do, a dispute process. You may still need to do paying down utilization. You may still be doing a personal sweep. Guys, you add the credit builder account to your credit reports day number 1 if you're working on your credit. So it's the combination of building up positive payment history from the credit builder card while you're working on other negative items. Maybe you're doing a pay for delete. Nugget, I just did a video, depending on when you're watching this, on how to do a pay for delete for collections. I will link that video. You should watch that one next. So while you're working on doing things like pay for deletes or a credit sweep or paying down utilization or disputes, adding positive payment history to the credit builder card makes your credit score, makes your process go like this, which gets you better results faster. What you don't want to do is be doing disputes for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and then add a credit builder card. No, you add the credit builder card. That way, month number 1, month number 2, month number 3, you have positive payment history from your credit builder account while you're working on your credit, while you're paying down utilization, while you're doing disputes, while you're doing a personal sweep. And that's going to help you have a significant, guys, I've seen 50, 60, 80 something points in literally like 90 days, sometimes 3 to 6 months. 6 months, I've always seen 100 points and more when you use it the right way. So significant increases that people have not seen ever. Got it good. So next, how do you get one? Come on, y'all, that's super easy. All you do is apply. There is a specific card. It's actually called Credit Builder Card. I will put the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Now, why is this card so powerful? Because number 1 is a soft inquiry. Come on, somebody. I don't know why y'all are using credit builder accounts that you guys say are credit builder accounts, which they are not, and they're putting hard inquiries on your credit report. That makes no sense. You already have damaged credit. Why are you adding hard inquiries while you're trying to increase your scores? So the one reason why I'm talking to you specifically about credit builder card is because it's a soft inquiry. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and you can get approved for it right now. Nugget right now. There are a lot of credit builder accounts that kind of claim to be credit builder. I'm not talking, don't comment on this video. Have you heard about this? Have you heard about that? I've heard about them all. I'm highlighting the account that works, that has worked for years, that has been around for years. Guys, sometimes I see these kind of credit builder companies pop up, then after a year, 2 years, they go away because they didn't really work. They weren't legitimate. Listen to me. Credit Builder Card is a resource I've been using with my consulting firm for years. I've seen it work specifically for years with clients, with my son even, like literally. So on my channel, come on somebody, on this Wealth Building Ministry channel, I only outline lenders and accounts that I know are legitimate and work, period. So I'll put the link in the description. And then nugget right here, Credit Builder account versus something like Experian Boost. Experian Boost is trash, period. I'm so mad at them about this product. And one of the biggest reasons why Experian Boost is trash is because it only reports to 1 credit bureau. Come on, somebody. When you are doing a mortgage pre-approval, when you are going for big money, when you are going for business credit, sometimes they'll pull a tri-merge report. So let's take a mortgage, for example. Say you are somebody who is trying to do house hacking. A mortgage lender is going to pull a tri-merge. That's all 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. They're going to go by your mid-score. So if you have an account like Experian Boost, which does not work, and let's say it did give you 5 or 10 points, which I haven't even seen it do that, right? Nowhere near what Credit Builder Card does. But let's say it does actually give you a boost and your Experian is high. Your Experian is 680 and all your other ones are 600. You're still going to get denied because they pull all 3 and go by the mid score. You never want to use a credit builder account that only reports to 1 bureau. I don't even like the ones that report to 2. So I only highlight lenders for this area specifically, credit building, that are a soft inquiry and that report to all 3 bureaus. If you currently have Experian Boost, I highly recommend that you close it down and you don't use it. It is adding debt to your credit report that would not normally be on your report, and it's only working for 1 bureau. Building the foundation for true wealth means you're building TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, all 3 credit bureaus, so you can transition into real estate investing, business credit, so you can truly leverage your personal credit. Got it good? All right, so how you get one? All you do is apply. Now, it's a secured credit card primary in your name, not authorized, okay? Which is what you also need. Now, you have the option of getting 2 at one time. How many, Terry? 2 at one time. So sometimes I'll have people that say, well, I have $600. Should I get one card for $600? No, I actually recommend that if you're somebody who has $600 or $1,000, let's say you have $600, get 2 credit builder cards for $300 each. Let's say you have $1,000, get 2 credit builder cards for $500 each. Why? Because as you're building, you want to have multiple trade lines, aka multiple primary accounts on your reports that are building for you. So it is wiser, it is strategy to have 2 of them building positive payment history. That's going to speed up your process. We can work on getting higher credit limits later on, because literally, guys, 3 to 6 months of on-time payments on your credit builder cards are going to boost your credit scores more than you've probably seen in a long time, okay? So how you get them is you apply. It's a specific card. I will put it in the description and in the pinned comments. It is a secured card. That means that you pay $500, they'll give you a credit card, the actual credit card they mail to you that is going to have a credit limit of $500. If you get a $300 deposit, if you give them a $300 deposit, they will send you a credit card that has a $300 credit limit. So it's a secured credit card. Pay it on time to actually boost your scores so you can then transition into unsecured credit cards, loans, mortgages, business credit. You have to crawl before you walk. This is a process, okay? Why? But the last thing, guys, is how do you use it? Guys, don't get a $300 card and just throw it in your desk and don't use it at all. You cannot trick the FICO scoring model. So your goal is to use it, pay it on time. Use it, pay it on time. You want to keep the credit utilization low. 30% and under utilization is good. 10% and under is better. You're not getting this credit card and going on a girls trip or going to get, your furnish a man cave or go and max it out. Your sole goal, come on somebody, I'm preaching today, I'm teaching today. Your sole goal for this card is to build positive payment history, pay it on time, and keep the utilization low to boost your scores. If you get the card and you max it out, your scores are going to drop. If you get the card and you have late payment, your scores are going to drop. You have to change, come on somebody, your financial habits so you can rebuild credit. So you're keeping the credit utilization low. So if you have a $300 card, you're still using it, but I would not have any more than like $50, $75 on there. If you have a $500 card, I would not have any more than like $100 on there. So you're using it for gas, you're using it for Uber Eats, you're using it maybe to get your nails done, you're using it to get a haircut, you're using it to order lunch, you're using it for a gym membership, right? So use it, yes, because you want to build a positive payment history, but do not max it out. Keep the balance low. Now, this is what I recommend. Use it, wait for the bill to come in, pay it in full. Use it, wait for the bill to come in, pay it in full. That's why I said do something like, maybe if you have Planet Fitness, that's $10. Put your gym membership on there. That way it's charged every single month. The bill comes in, you pay it in full. And mind you, paying your credit card bill in full every single month is a wealth building financial literacy tip that helps you also save on interest. So how you use it, you are going to use your card, but you're going to keep the balance low and you're going to pay it in full every single month. That is going to help you have a significant increase in your personal credit scores. So if you need more help, our next thing, our success tip, right, is learning is an ongoing journey, guys. You think about college. You're in college for 4 years, right? 4 years of instruction, of learning and everything. You're in school for 12 years. You guys can't think you're going to watch 1 or 2 videos and become an expert. So it's the ongoing training, the ongoing resources, the ongoing support. This is why I just talked about Credit Leverage Lifestyle, which is our online credit education system, the most comprehensive credit system ever created, period. I created it myself and it has gotten so many people across the entire USA massive results, but more importantly, it's a credit education system, right? And so literally it has like 90 lessons, and I don't want that number to be daunting for you. I want you to understand that if you truly want to become financially literate, then you need to learn credit inside and out. You do 1 or 2 lessons a day for 30 days, for 60 days, and then you have knowledge that is priceless. Mortgage pre-approvals, $305,000, $300,000, $500,000. Business credit cards, business lines of credit, business auto loans, cash out refinances. Guys, the outcomes of being financially literate, the outcomes of actually working on your personal and business credit are 6 and 7 figures. So understand that learning and financial literacy is an ongoing process until you really get it. And you have to really dedicate the time to digging in deep and actually spending time learning the actual information. Adults learn by repetition. So the reason why so many of you are still confused is because you watch the video Monday, you watch the video next month, you watch 2 videos next week. No, guys, invest in an education system. Actually go through the material and then change your entire lifestyle, because somebody is depending on your transformation. It's not about you. Amen.